High volume.
What if I was out creeping? Disappear for the weekend. Don't let you know when I'm leaving. What if I was disloyal? But all the niggas before you. But I still put it on for you. Don't say I'm savage, just for you. So what if I gave your pussy away? Let another nigga see how it tastes. Can you imagine it all on his face? Go through my text and he calling me baby, yeah. What if I'm choosing? Catch you out here looking stupid. Then I tell you I can't do this. Tired of the fighting is looping. If I pull on you, on you, on you, what should you do? Yeah, pull on you, on you, what should you do? Tell me, baby, can you handle it? Know what I know, should do what you do. Baby, can you handle it? Say again, when you lay. Baby, can you handle it? Always gonna treat you like shit. I don't appreciate the things you did. If I came to you and told you I had it good, well, where would you still stick with me, or would you walk and split? If I done to you all the things you done to me, tell me, would you stick around, boy, if you were me? You couldn't handle it, boy, I guarantee. So tell me, why the fuck do you expect this shit from me? 'Cause if